Welcome to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast, a production of Goldman Equipment. We are your local John Deere dealer here in central and northern Louisiana. Give us a call or come by one of our 12 locations statewide and look us up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or on our website at www.goldmanequipment.com. Goldman Equipment, we're not just in your field, we're in your backyard. Welcome once again to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast. We have a full cast again with us today. Gary, how are you today, brother?
Good, Rod, man. How are you doing?
Good deal. We also have Mr. Caleb Vines here.
Hey, Rodney.
With us. Caleb, you doing okay today, bud?
Doing good.
And Mr. Scott Blaylock again with us today. Scott, how are you, brother?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you,
Awesome. Doing good. Man, we're going to talk about some of our whole goods products that we carry today. You know, a lot of people, when they think of Goldman Equipment, what do they think about, guys? Big tractors and combines and pickers. But you know what? We sell a lot more than that. We have a full line of turf products as well, don't we, Caleb?
No doubt. Starting with tractors, kind of our bread and butter. In the compact and utility tractors, which is our 1 series through 6 series tractors, we offer over 50 models, ranging from 23 horsepower up to 250. The 1 through 4 series, they range from 23 to 66 horsepower. And one thing that I do want to bring up, in those 1 through 4 series tractors, we offer a 10-year warranty.
Wow. You're not going to find that anywhere else, are you, Caleb?
Nowhere else. No other dealer.
So how does that break down, Caleb?
Yeah. So the first 6 is covered by Deere. The first 2 years or 2,000 hours is comprehensive, meaning it covers everything.
So that's bumper to bumper, right?
Right. Correct.
Okay.
The next 4 years is engine and transmissions. So that's 6 years that Deere covers on that tractor. And then Goldman is covering the 7 through 10 years of that tractor with stipulations. All you have to do is bring it in each year for an annual maintenance.
Service. Okay.
Yep.
Which is something that they'll be doing anyway, right?
Right.
So really, you know, no further cost than what you normally would pay to service your tractor every year, right?
Right.
Wow. And folks, you will not find that anywhere else but here. We're going to cover an additional 4 years on these tractors. That's how confident we are in the product that we're selling, and how we want so bad to make sure that we service you properly and make sure that you get as much as you possibly can through these tractors, right?
Right.
That's right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And also on these tractors, the compact and utility, especially the 1 through 4, we offer 0% for 60 months. And going up into the 5 and 6 series, we offer that as well on certain models. Whenever you come in and want to finance a tractor, Century Insurance is partnered with John Deere, and we can take care of that all in one sitting. And you can go home with your tractor
The same day.
same day.
See, that's critical.
That's a big deal, ain't it, Gary?
Oh, that's huge, because when someone is saved up or ready to purchase probably one of their largest items in their life, they're wanting to take it home that day.
That's right.
And we need to be able to do everything that we possibly can to make sure that happens. The other thing, too, Caleb and Scott, I think one of the biggest things is why buy a Deere? And in my mind, if I'm a residential consumer or someone that's got 20 acres that I can go bale hay on or whatever, is number one is that if for some reason I have to sell that tractor, the John Deere tractor has the highest resale value on the marketplace today.
Correct.
The second biggest thing is that if I find out, hey, I need a bigger tractor or I need a bigger implement that takes a bigger tractor, I have the highest trade-in vehicle in the market today that I can go back to the same dealer, trade that tractor in, and make absolutely sure I get what I need for the farm or whatever task I have in front of us. So I think that's the 2 biggest things.
Right.
If you go buy a different color, I'm just saying color, on that, I mean, when you drive that baby off the lot, 3/4 of its value is gone.
Yeah.
Gone. So, you know, it's not like that with John Deere.
And
Right.
that brings up a few more points. Why would you buy from us over Kubota or Mahindra or anybody like that? Well, that 10-year warranty is certainly one of those things. But I've heard you mention before, we keep over 10 million parts in inventory.
That's exactly right. We keep over 10 million parts in inventory. We have a courier truck that runs from every location, which we have 11 operating locations. We service over 1.3 million acres within our AOR. We service 400 combines, over 800 ag tractors, and thousands and thousands of commercial residential tractors and lawnmowers.
So when you put that all together, 10-year warranty, parts on hand, good service,
Great service.
great service.
Great service, because our guys are trained relentlessly on this equipment. They know it bolt for bolt, don't they, Scott?
They sure do. A lot of classes they get sent off to for their certifications. We got some of the best mechanics in the industry.
Other than tractors, of course, we offer mowers. Residential, we have over 60 models, 43 of those being ride-on mowers, the traditional ride-on mowers, and the remaining would be Z-Tracks. We have over 30 commercial mowers, which we mentioned a while ago. A lot of the residential guys buy those commercial mowers for around the house, and they last a lifetime. We do offer financing on all the mowers as well. We offer side-by-sides, high-performance utility gators, like yard gators, mid and full size. And we do keep a lot of those on hand, but if you don't see one spec'd out to the way you like it, you can sit down with one of our salesmen and build it the way you want it, and we can order it for you.
We've got gators now that are fully enclosed cabs with heater and air, don't we?
Right. Yep.
Okay.
We do offer HVAC
Luxury
gators.
while you deer hunt.
Yep. Or working. Anything.
And we have hundreds of bundles, different configurations. I mean, if there's something, if you see something somewhere and man, that would be great to have on my gator, chances are we can get that for you.
That's right.
That brings up tractor packages. We can do that as well. I'm sure anybody shopping for a tractor, they've seen a tractor package online. We do offer certain packages that we've kind of made up. If you come to us and want to build your own package, by all means, we can do that as well.
And we'll still give them the discounted rate, just like we would on the generic packages, right?
Right. Getting into the hay side of things, I guess, we offer over 10 round bell models, and then we have about 5 square barrel models. And of course, we got disc mowers, mower conditioners, rotary cutters, flail mowers, flail shredders, and just about any attachment imaginable to stick on a tractor, we offer all that as well.
Now, one more thing I want to hit on these smaller tractors. A lot of times, you'll look at a tractor and you'll say, you know what, I wonder how many horsepower that tractor is. Caleb, our model numbers on the side of our tractors now
Tell you everything.
Tell you everything you need to know, don't they?
Right. Yep. The first number is the series of tractor, and then the last 3 will tell you the horsepower of that model tractor. So that's always good to know.
Absolutely. And Scott, I understand that at some break point there that you're not required to have a DPF system.
That's right.
Or DEF system on it, right?
Right. Yeah, 85 horse and above requires DEF system. Everything below 85 horse down to your 3 series does regen, but does not require the DEF, which cleans your engine. And
Right, and that's a big deal, and that takes a lot of that maintenance and cost off of it, doesn't it, Caleb?
Right. Yeah. So every model below the 5085E does not require DEF.
That's right.
Okay. Boy, we got some great deals. And come on down. If you have not been into one of our stores, come on in and check this turf equipment out. I think you'll be very impressed. We'll give you a test drive too, won't we, Caleb?
Sure will.
So until next time, I'm Rodney Mize, Gary Bice, Caleb Vines, and Scott Blaylock. and wish you a blessed day.
Thank you.
And look forward to seeing you
Appreciate
again,
it.
don't we, Gary?
God bless.
Thank you, Rodney.
Thank you.
Go Tigers.
Thanks for listening to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast, a production of Goldman Equipment, LLC. We appreciate your comments on the show, and please let us know you enjoyed the program by hitting the like button on Facebook and sharing with your friends. We look forward to seeing you back with us for the next episode. Until then, God bless you and your family, and God bless America.